Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing this wig from UNiceHair, and they have decided to send me a 3-part lace frontal. Now this wig comes in a straight hair. I think the inches is 24 inches in length. This wig has 3 parts. I like the fact that it has a fake scalp, which is why the parts are already looking light. So now I'm just going to go ahead and use the elastic band at the back to crisscross it, and this is just going to make sure that it fits my head size. Now I'm just adjusting the lace to put it on my head and see how that's looking and how it fits. To start off with, I'm just going to go ahead and trim the 2 sides, and this way I'm going to be able to apply the wig on easily. So I'm just pushing the wig back, and I am going to be applying my foundation onto the little tiny lace that is visible. So the rest of the lace is basically fake scalp, but there's a little bit showing. Now I'm just using a spirit. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove my makeup, and this way it will be able to stick on my head beautifully. I'm then gonna go ahead with my tweezer to just tweeze a little bit of that hair because I didn't like how it was looking like. And then I'm using my Got To Be gel to apply onto my forehead. I decided to use a gel and Got To Be spray because I remember this day I was filming a lot of hair videos and I didn't want to put on any like Goose Bond glue onto it because that's just like stronghold. So I'm just using like cold air to quickly dry this gel, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply the first part, which is the forehead part. Then I'm just pulling the sides, and I'm going to pull the other side as well, and just make sure that I'm putting like pressure onto my forehead, and this way it's just sitting perfectly. Got it, baby. Yeah, yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead and neating up this parting. I really like how the parting is looking like. It looks bleached, but I haven't bleached it. So I'm using an eyebrow razor to just cut off the lace, and this way I can get a really nice jagged cut. And I'm just also cutting off the air laps so that they fit perfectly in with my ears. So I always just tend to go back with that Got To Be spray to spray onto my ears and just press on it.
You're the only one I think about, yeah. You're the only one for me. The only one I care about, yeah.
So let's move on to styling this hair. I'm just gonna brush through this hair. This hair feels so soft, you guys. It feels really, really nice. I love straight hair, and everybody knows this about me. So I was super happy to get this hair from UNiceHair. I was like, yes, it's another straight hair because I can just never get enough. I'm just deciding to tie down my elastic band, and oh my god, this is so painful, but I still go ahead and do it because I feel like it just keeps the lace part like really, really flat. So I'm using my wax sticks to just apply onto the hair, and this way I'm just gonna go ahead and use my hot comb and press on it, and this just keeps the like head part super flat because I really hate like that bulky and that, you know, non-fleeky look. I always like to like use a wax stick and then always go in with my hot comb and just keep it flat. So I'm just spraying this protein spray onto my hair, and this is just like a heat protecting spray. Then I'm going to use my argan oil onto the hair to just give it a little bit of sheen and shininess, and then I'm going to go in with my GHD flat iron to keep the hair bone straight.
Got it, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I always like to use a brush to like, you know, guide my flat iron, and this way I feel like it detangles the hair, and then whilst I'm flat ironing it, it just keeps it like super nice, soft and straight. I mean, look at this hair, you guys. It's so nice. It feels very soft. I'm like super happy with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do the other side of this hair.
We're taking off to the sky. It's you and me tonight. Whoa, baby. You know there was something special. Baby boy, you want my treasure. I know we got it. I know we got it, baby. Got it, baby. Yeah, yeah. I knew that it was something special. Baby boy, you want my treasure. I know we got it.
Again, I'm just using the wax stick to just, you know, hot comb it and just keep it backwards.
Yeah, oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I know we got it. I know we got it. I know we got it, baby. Got it, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And then I'm gonna go back into my contour and just bronze my forehead a little. So I'm gonna be also doing this by touching up the lace just a little bit so that it could look just like my skin tone. And I am so loving this hair, you guys. Like, oh my god, I am really liking it. I'm now gonna use my powder to just apply onto the front part, because the ending does have like a fake scalp, like I said, but it's a bit light for me, so I'm using my powder to just like tone it down and make it look more like skin tone. And voila, you guys, like, here is the final look. I woke up like what's up on the streets and I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this back to see how it looks like if I wanted to have it half up, half down. All these people growing up, they wanna be us. Yeah, got me tripping like a Prius. I don't even know a lot of people selling pizzas these days. Check it for. And now I'm just trying to part it on the other side, because like I said, it's a 3-part lace, so you get 3 parts depending on what side you usually part. I think that I might just ball out now. Yeah, just ball out. You was wrong, I was right. Didn't take long just to make it for life. Nah. I think that I might just ball out now. Anyways, guys, this was the final look, and I absolutely love this hair from UNiceHair. I suggest you guys click on down below on the links that they provided UNiceHair. You guys can go ahead and check their websites for like all other types of hair textures, hairstyles, and everything else. I really recommend UNiceHair. They're such a good company. I love collaborating with them. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye now.